Let's maul in the Central Committee. Let's cringe in the Central Committee. Let's bog in the Central Committee right now.
Let's make fun of this for a while. I don't think I'll have a lot to say on it, but crypto and Bitcoin crash. Crypto right now, chat, is having scheduled crash. Holy shit. Bitcoin's 40% crash does feel like capitulation, says crypto specialist, but here's where the next crucial support level stands. Crypto markets have shifted from buy to buy Bitcoin in a nanosecond, and technicians say the digital asset may have more room to fall in the near term as a months-long bullish trend unravels. At last check, Bitcoin was changing hands at $38,278 on CoinDesk, and it hit a 24-hour of 36,219. Look at this. We have ourselves a huge crash. A huge crash. It's bounced off of the very, very bottom where it spiked all the way down to, it had a flash crash to $31,000 and it's back up from that. But over the last week, it went from 56,000, it's lost $20,000 of value. These cryptos are crashing, and it's across the board. Bitcoin down 18%, Ethereum down 25%, XRP down 26%, Stellar down 30%, Cardano, I don't even know what that one is. I haven't even heard that one. Dogecoin down to 34 cents. Remember when we talked about it prior to going to SNL? It was at 70 cents. It's lost 50% of its value from the top. I hope you guys took some of what I said and took some of your profits if you were investing in this. The crypto crash is pretty much universal. US dollar coin. Fuck. And they're big, 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 big crashes. Think of all those NFL players who signed contracts this year in Bitcoin. Oof. Literally just bought a little bit of crypto last night because fuck it. The next day we crash. Boy, oh boy. What a big, 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 big capitulation. And you know what? Like, if you're in crypto, I'm sorry. I'm not celebrating you losing money. Okay? It's just, this was an irrational bubble, no longer related to anything but the speculation. The hope that you would find another idiot.
We don't use closing prices. I don't know what it's going to, since it trades all the time. So it doesn't really matter whether it's closing or not. It is below, but I defended you earlier because nobody knows. You said around 40. Do you still think that we're near a place where Bitcoin stabilizes at least? Just give us your update.
Listen, both on the charts and it felt like we had capitulation this morning. You never know. The one thing that's clear is a lot more people own crypto, right? Crypto had seeped into pockets all over our society. And you had a confluence of events, combination of tax day, Elon Musk tweets, whatnot, where you started breaking down the positivity and the price action. And now we've got a liquidation event. And, you know, Humpty Dumpty never gets put back together in 2 days when he cracks. It's going to take a while. The market will consolidate. It'll find a bottom somewhere. I'm hoping it's close to here. 36,000 now, maybe, 38,000. It did feel like capitulation this morning. You know, Ethereum, 2,600, 2,400. We're pretty close. They've had big sell-offs with huge volume.
Appreciate you.
But it's not going to bounce right back. It'll consolidate for a while. The story hasn't gone anywhere, right? This crypto revolution is happening. But these are certainly setbacks for the wallet.
And so he called 40,000 as the base, and that was yesterday around midnight, and Bitcoin is currently around 35,000, so it's taken a significant haircut off of that. And when he says capitulation, chat, he's referring to this. Now, if you've been around here a while, you've seen this graph before, and he's saying we're just about here. He's saying we're just about here on the capitulation, right? And hey, if you bought Bitcoin 2 years ago, you're still way up, you're still way up off of this. Whenever you hear this shit, new paradigm, greed, enthusiasm. You could see here who's in there: the smart money, the institutional investors, the public. And look at this, chat. Most of the insane exponential growth happens when it becomes exposed to the public, right? But then you run out of new suckers. And that's where we're at right now. Now, where is Bitcoin? Is Bitcoin going to go back? I don't know where Bitcoin's going to end up, right? Like, it'll probably end up higher than it started the year, right? Let's look at the start of the year. It's at 29,000 at the year start. So we're at 35,000, still up. Are we going to end up below the start of where we started this year? I don't know. That would be an interesting development. But this is one day. One day. Look at that. Just fell. Now, if you're telling me what has changed about the global economy, what has changed about Bitcoins, what has catalyzed this? Crypto crashes every 6 months to 12 months. Boomers are just reporting on it because of the big stinky Elon made with the Bitcoin. Definitely won't hit 60K anytime soon, but the altcoins have been pumping for the past 2 weeks, and rebound today for Ethereum already has been stabilizing at 2,500. Everything you just said was psychological. You know that, right? Everything you just said was psychological, or what they say technical. In stocks, chat, or investments, when someone says a technical argument, they're actually doing the opposite of technical. They're talking psychological. They're talking about the snake oil of reading a chart. They're saying, I can look at a chart and see a pattern. They're like an ancient soothsayer or an augur or somebody who slices up an animal and looks at their kidneys or something. It's bullshit. What they're really saying, Ethereum stabilizing around 2,500. I mean, I don't know what you're talking about. It seems to me like there was a bounce that happened in every single cryptocurrency. By the way, look at this. Look at the charts. Every single crypto has this little like dead cat bounce. Isn't that interesting? It's almost like they're being algorithmically traded. Every single crypto has that dead cat bounce. They're trading in complete lockstep. There's no divergence. The curves are slightly different. So to me, it seems like Dogecoin is no more unsafe at this point than being in Bitcoin. Ethereum down 25% in a day. In a day. They're gonna die. China dropped Bitcoins. It's not just Elon. Bitcoin falls further as China cracks down on cryptocurrencies. And this is something that cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoin pumpers, don't want you to know, is 75% of the total hash rate, meaning the people that are mining Bitcoin, calculating it and maintaining it, are in China. There is not decentralization. Bitcoin is not a democratization of money. It's a concentration. It's the oligarchation of money. It's the power of the money slips into fewer and fewer hands with absolutely no democratic control. Stop spreading misinformation. Another year, another crypto ban in China. In a joint statement from the National Internet Finance Association of China, the China Banking Association, and Payment and Clearing Association in China, the institutions appeared keen to remind firms they must not provide crypto saving, trust, or pledging services or issue financial products related to crypto assets. They were made in a bid to prevent the risk of cryptocurrency trading speculation, dampen hype. The central bank used very similar wording to preface its own post, as many China watchers and Chinese-speaking crypto enthusiasts were keen to point out. One claimed that the statement only reiterates an anti-speculation law from years ago. Okay, let me just stop this article right here. If China states, hey, we have this anti-crypto law, and we're going to crack down on people violating it when they previously weren't cracking down, that could represent a significant change. So chat, the Bitcoin crash is starting to get a little bouncy bounce. Really, 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 really interesting. We're gonna be seeing whether or not crypto slides back down to where they started the year, or starts settling again. It had a very similar crash a month ago in April, where it went from 63,000 down to 49,000, and then it kind of bounced off that, climbed again, and now it's having another crash. So the question of, oh boy, if there's going to be a similar issue. The last time it crashed back in 2018, when it got up to about 20,000. Then it ended up settling around 3,000, which was where it had started right before the bubble, you know? And then it had, you know, a couple years of just stagnation where it went sideways. So maybe it's going to put in some sort of like permanent start at, you know, around 30 and then start going sideways. Who knows? We really don't know. Too bad Bitcoin got nothing to do with Ethereum, which is the issue. Bitcoin used high efficiency, lower power ASICs to compute. Ethereum is what fucks with the whole global electronics distribution system. I mean, I think they're both bad. There are markets that let you short crypto. I mean, you know, trying to jump in to short crypto right now, you know, Chad, I'm not telling you that is the play. We do politics here every morning starting at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. Eastern, 7 a.m. Pacific. You can watch us here on Twitch. We're the morning guy, the morning politics guy. Politics Frogs in every single day, same time, 10 a.m., day in, day out. And we carry you through your morning and early afternoon politics needs. And if you need more, Mike from PA, we have a YouTube channel. We talked about suburbs, the My Pillow guy, Ted Cruz. We talked about DSA. Amazing. Making fun of Tim Pool. Amazing. Look at all of these amazing videos. Get in there, watch them. We have me on Twitter. You got to follow me on Twitter, chat. I'm at 20,614 subs. That means I got like 40 followers on Twitter in the last day. You can do better than that. You can do better than that. Go follow us on Twitter. And of course, join the Discord, where we have an incredible community of left-wing streamers. We have left-wing community. We talk about the stream. We talk about politics. There's gaming content. It's a really awesome, supportive place. Direct action, mutual aid, and you can just let off some steam. And also, you can help produce the show. One of the things I do is I look at the links that are put into the news content suggestions chat room on the Discord. Join the Discord. Come hang out. And maybe what you want me to talk about will be part of the next show.